want to share with you a simple technique, and this is a technique of bilateral stimulation, and it also uses and integrates the ask, believe, receive process for affirmations that many people are familiar with. And I love sharing this technique because really it's very similar to the idea behind what is referred to as EMDR, eye movement therapy. And the reason why eye movement therapy is effective is because we have bilateral stimulation. We're crossing the left and the right hemisphere of the brain, really the emotional side and the physical side. We can do that in a number of different ways. A very simple way to do that is to use our hands and to make a fist. So we all have a left hand and we all have a right hand, or at least most of us do. And by simply squeezing the left hand, squeezing the right hand, squeezing the left hand, squeezing the right hand, what we're actually doing is we're creating that bilateral stimulation. So if I'm uncomfortable and I'm stressed when I'm flying, I have my hands with me. I can sit in my chair, and without disturbing the people around me or even them being aware of what I'm doing, I can actually engage in this process of bilateral stimulation. It might appear to somebody else that I'm simply doing an exercise with my hands. They may be curious about what I'm doing. Chances are 99 out of 100% that they won't even notice, because most people are busy paying attention to themselves. And if they do notice, they won't say anything. And if they do say anything, of course, we could actually share with them what it is that we're doing. Now, I want you to follow along with me in this video. You're going to see in a session how I teach this to a client. But I want you to follow through with me right now. And close your eyes down for a minute, and with your right hand, hold that into a fist. Relax it. Now hold your left hand into a fist and relax it. Hold that right hand into a fist, relax it. Hold that left hand into a fist, relax it. Now go ahead and open your eyes. Open your eyes. Did you notice that that physical action of paying attention, left, right, open, close, actually at one level or another triggered some type of physical or emotional response? So now what we're going to do is we're going to add some affirmations. We're going to ask for stress to be removed. We're going to believe that my stress level is decreasing, and we're going to receive calm, relaxation, and comfort. And we're going to do this with the bilateral stimulation. So close your eyes once again, and we're going to count to 10. First the right hand 1, left hand 2, right hand 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we're going to state the affirmation. I ask for my stress level to be removed. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I believe my stress level is decreasing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I receive calm. I receive relaxation. I receive comfort. And at this point, open the eyes. So it's a very simple process, but this is a skill, something we can teach people on the go. Let's do that one more time together. Go ahead and close the eyes down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I ask for my stress level to decrease. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I believe my stress is decreasing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I receive comfort. I receive calm. Go ahead, open the eyes. Now, ask yourself at one level or another, are you less stressed now, both emotionally as well as physically? The answer to that, more than 9 out of 10 times, is absolutely yes. It's a strategy you can teach clients so that they can dramatically decrease their stress level in any situation at any time, as long as they have their two hands, can count to 10, and remember the formula for ask, believe, and receive.